Imagine stepping into a room where rain falls, but it's not water, it's paint. This isn't a scene from a surreal painting, but a real scientific experiment. Researchers have created a controlled environment where droplets of paint fall, simulating rain indoors. The purpose? To study how different surfaces absorb and repel liquids, which has applications in everything from waterproof clothing to car paints. It's a quirky, colourful way to understand fluid dynamics. Next time you see rain, think of the painted version indoors.